Do you have a child that is in a fatherless household, or a son that's in a household with no father? Well, fam, natural hormones, estrogen and testosterone, are both necessary in a household to raise a son. So if you have a son that is around women and being raised constantly around large amounts of estrogen, then he don't have any testosterone, and he approaches every situation with his emotions. He resolves all conflict with his emotions. So get your son around some men and get a healthy balance of estrogen and testosterone in your son's life, and he'll be a better man because of it. Positive vibes. I'm the Positive Postman.